Yes, we're here in the Philippines. We are here in the classroom. So, we're gonna wait our teacher. What is the subject natin taking right now?
Capital market.
Oh, the capital market. So, we're discussing is, I don't know, basta it's about capital, it's about puhunan. And then the market, it's about market. In the Tagalog, is puhunan mo sa market mo. And then, on the last subject we're taking right now is English. There's have a question here, the take-home activity to be submitted on Tuesday. Why is language learning crucial? Relate your course. First, maya, sige. First is, we need it because
DML kami.
our
DML kami.
utangin na mo, hindi ako makapag-isip.
DML kami.
Our course is BSBA, what we call utang ina mo. So,
Ano naman eh.
so we're taking,
Pag hindi uhog, kulangot.
what is that? I don't remember that. I am the cleanliness attitude.
No. Baluga attitude.
Because who you are, what we are.
We were reviewing.
Yeah. I'm gonna answer A. I'm gonna answer why is language learning crucial related course. My course is... Ha? Meron na. The lady one. It's gonna wear. So who's our...
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa din tayo bro.
Are you sure about that?
Sino magsabi? Ano? Tama ba?
Okay. Why is the language learning crucial? It is because we need to communicate other businessmen. And then, yun lang. Cite one example of issues regarding language. Ano raw?
Issues regarding language.
This is, the example is me. Me because it's us. What are your takeaways regarding wrong grammar and wrong content?
Sagot mo na po yung tanong sa to.
Ha?
Sagot mo na yung
Oo,
tanong sa
sarili niya sagot niya.
Discuss it briefly.
Me is everyone, me is family, and I thank you.
We are rest in peace.
Wrong grammar, wrong context. About my idea in this phrase,
It is true.
no. It is
Talsik nito lumalawi.
Do you agree with that or not?
talsik nito lumalaway.
Ayaw.
Oh, that's what we call wrong grammar, wrong context.
Hindi alam mo kung elementary pa yun. Kasi na malalawan.
Do you agree?
Yeah,
Why?
because equitable culture phrase. Sorry,
May tanong sila.
ano? Hindi din. Ano yun? Oh, di ba? I'm not everyone. Ano, panty mo bukas?
Zipper yung
Pero
mata mo.
bukas. Tomorrow.
Ano ba?
Bukas.
You're so bobo, you don't know that. I know yun eh.
Din eh.
Nag-ano lang ako, nagtatanga-tangahan lang because gusto, gusto ko kasi sa fancy eh. I don't want you to be alone in that texture.
I can be alone. I don't need
To be
company.
So,
Let's go outside.
ayoko. Itong pagod na eh.
Let's go outside.
Paano pa?
Ano pa ba?
At, talas us about yourself.
I'm gonna tell my about. About. Uh, ano ba? How can I...
Imagine that you're applying for a job.
Hi everyone, thank you for applying me.
Applying for a job na siyempre. Apply ka mo na buong kumpanya.
Ano ng paniguraya? Thank you agad.
That's what we call thank you method. You don't know kasi eh. You don't apply.
Method, paano di ka ma-hire? Na method para i-hire ka eh.
So, we're gonna... Ano pa bang mga kailangan nating ituro sa ating mga followers? Ano?
Isa-isahin mo mga friend mo. Tapos discuss mo sila.
Sige. First,
Elementary.
bobo ka?
Simula kakalaki.
Hindi. Ano na?
Ano na lang, yung current
Ah.
friends mo.
Friend niya pa rin hanggang ngayon.
I'm gonna discuss you all na lang. First, Leslie. Ay, first expression ko, everyone.
First ano?
Ay,
Impression.
That's what we call wrong game.
Bobo puta.
Okay. What is your impression? Akala ko sinabi mo akin na
Impression pa naman.
Okay.
Impression na ako. Wrong ano na. Good grammar na ako. Leslie Villanueva. She is a bitch. Like, you know, like, when you see her face, you feel like she is mataray. And then, yun yung unang impression.
And then when you
When-
got to know her,
When I got to know her, she is it's a true naman, she is a bitchy. Bitchy with a kind.
how about it?
Julian.
Talaga ako.
Wala pa nga agree agad, wala pa.
When you see her face, it feel like she is kind, but when you know her, that is not true.
Ayun ako. Sino kaya? Yung basta-basta ng...
yeah. Dapat ano na lang, yung unang...
Nagkakalala.
First impression, tapos,
Happy birthday!
gago, walang pasok. Okay. What can you say about her being late today?
She is very intelligent, very demure,
Ganda mo tangat.
very demure,
Responsible.
very responsible,
Very kind.
very kind.
Very mindful.
Yun nga yun, very demure.
Huwag ka pa papasok, pati ka lang pumasok.
Ayun na. So, the next is Celine. When I see Celine, my first impression is she is tibo. Because of her hair, I thought she is tibo. And then, Shaira. When,
And when you got to know her,
ayun,
Celine,
when I got to know her,
what did you realize?
I realized she is a fashionista that I can... si ano naman? Si Shai. Si Shai is she is very they say she is angel, but you know her not angel. Then Banda.
Ayusin mo buhay ko.
Ay! Dumilim! The first impression, this is the truth, not a false. I have a friend that I got attached. She told me, everyone, basta yun. I have a knowledge from you. So, the first day of school, ay, yung ano, yung nagpasa-pasa, nung body and health. Sa katawan. X-ray.
X-ray.
You don't know that, no?
Nagpasa ng interview yun.
Tanga, wala tayong interview. The X-ray.
Ayun, nung nag-medical.
Oo.
Nakita ka namin.
I saw you.
Saan?
Dito. Kasama mo.
You pasa-pasa.
Sa baba ba?
Yeah.
Oh. And then?
And then, when I look her, because of the knowledge that I know, she is very bad. When I know her, that is true.
Wait Wait lang. What was the knowledge that you
The knowledge that I got from friend is, she is very, ano English ng ano? Matapang.
Strong.
Oh, wait lang. Sino friend?
You got a classmate.
Okay.
She is the classmate. Then yeah, because of that knowledge, it's because of the online, basta that is not true. When I know her, she is very bitch. Yeah.
Oh, ziray.
Right. The first impression I had because her friend, this is the true, not a false. Her friend is amoy jutok that time. So,
Sino friend?
may na yun. The one of the officer. Yeah.
Sino daw?
And then, you know, when we know the putok in one person, we see each eye. Then,
Akin ng English. Ako na nahihirapan ako.
Contact.
ayun, the eye contact. Me and Leslie is know him. Because it's the aircon. We tackle, we go the aircon to us. And then that person is here. And we are here. So the hangin is punta sa ilong namin. And then, we are shocked of that the smell. Because of that. But Rai is very kind in, she is the pleasing person. But when you know her, nah.
That was your
Good.
first impression.
Yeah?
She's pleasing.
Oh, she is a pleasing person.
How about Mariela?
Oh, that big.
I already know.
I already know her in high school
What was your impression?
because of one of her friends and Leslie friend, I got sabunat because I thought it was Linda. But when I see the face, sinabunutan din ako tango. Ganito kasi nangyari noon, di ba? First day of
Hindi
school.
na kinaya. Magtatagalog na siya.
Ay, tagal.
Because they understand.
Ay, okay. When that is the first day of school, right? So, fila. Line. So, I thought her body kasi it was the same. And then, because of our bonding, when we see each other, we're sabunot.
Linda.
Yeah. And then, I thought she's that. So, I grabbed her hair and then, Linda. And then I shocked. Like, I shocked the face. She's not Linda. And,
Mariela.
no, the one of friend of Mariela. There are a group of bitches kasi. So, agad ko, lahat ng grupo niya, na-shock. Kasi tinawag ko Linda. And then ay sabunot. And then, she ganti-ganti to me. Like, oh,
The one you grabbed the hair or Mariela?
hair.
Mariela.
Na, the friend.
Okay.
The first ex friend, they are bitchy kasi in high school. So, she ganti. I'm gonna cry that time. Because, first, she's not Linda. Second, I got attacked. Yan. Tapos, the second, yung ano naman.
Oh, how about Mariela?
She's bitchy nga, like Leslie.
Hindi, how did you know her?
When I know her, she's very mindful. Yun na nga yung ano naman. Sakit ng ulo ko. Yung ano naman. Kung paano ko sila nakilala, kung paano ko naman kayo nakilala isa-isa. I'm gonna talk. Who is the first name I got discussed? Leslie. Leslie is one of my classmates in grade 8. But she is cutting girl She's the cutting girl in that time. But with that, we are not get along that time. Because she is bitchy and I am so very kind.
Ay, na-self-proclaim ka dun na.
That's what we call good. So, grade 11, we are classmates again. And then, she chat me. Then, she said, Lonto, you have an answer in this activity.
Okay.
So,
So you became friends when you were only in grade 11?
yeah.
Okay.
So, we're gonna tackle. Then, buong year, nag-uusap kami. But, the usap is all about activity, assignment, yeah. And then, pag we're tapings in the teacher, and then, when vacation na, we're gonna stop. And then, we're continue in pasok.
School year.
Oh, yeah. And then, sino naman yung sunod ko? Si Yen.
Yeah.
Si Yen is, when we, basta, Tagalog na lang. Papagod na ako. Yun na nga, di ba? Ano yun, that time, tawag dito. Dito, papakita nga. Ayan, dilim. So, ano na nga yun, that time is, pinalabas kami kasi we don't have assignment. The assignment, it was, who is your same place, and then you discuss it. Di kami parehas nagpasa. So,
You were classmates back then?
yeah, in grade 9. And then, pinalabas kami. My teacher said, draw an animal who is same personality in you, ganun. So, we're tabi-tabi sa labas. Pinalabas kami. And then, gawa-gawa. I'm drawing in that time is bird. Bird is a furry. Yeah.
How
And
about
then,
her?
I don't know And then, she using her own colors. I hiram lang because I don't have a budget in that time. So, I'm gonna hiram. We are not that close, right? So, I grab her color. She using it. Like, sulat-sulat. I don't know. Because, kapag ginusto ko, makukuha ko that time. And then, I grab her color, and then, I'm gonna use it. Then, I'm gonna back. When I saw her face, it's like,
She was shocked.
it feel like, we are close?
Okay.
That is first encounter. And then, sino naman? Ano yung pangatlo kong sinabi? Celine. Celine is in the... Ano nga pala yun?
Okay, Tagalogin mo na muna. Dali.
Hindi. I don't know her kasi nung Paano ba tayo una nagkaanuhan?
Dito na.
Dito na nga yun, yung pasa-pasa. She is asked me in... yung sa Pilipino. Saan daw pupunta ba yun? Basta in that time. I thought she is tibo-tibo.
Yeah, because when year was just starting,
You and Shai is same section. But her scared because she is late. She is not accepted in that classroom.
hindi, si Ray yun.
No, she is...
Si Ray yun, magkakasabay kami.
Oh, why is...
Diba? Oh, ikaw yung...
I thought she is late. Oh,
Ah, okay.
I am right, you are wrong.
Okay, okay, okay.
That is
I'm
the
sorry.
person. And then, who is the next one?
Oh,
Mariela.
how did you two get along? What was your first encounter with her? Is it here in the classroom or?
I don't remember. Where we encountered. I know in this classroom, but I don't know what is we tackle about that.
Hindi ko matandaan kailan tayo mga unang-una nagkamagad. Kailan yun sa Pilipinas ako naging bago ng schedule.
Ay, we.
Naman hindi niya din maalala.
Sa classroom na yon, because we are all irreg. So, I know we got along because we are the irregular. We all back in the seat. So, ayun na nga. I know. Sa ano na yun eh, sa classroom na yun eh. And then,
Okay, who's next?
si Mariela na yun ano. First, dito ko na din na ano si Mariela eh.
Ah, talaga?
Dito ko na siya nakaklose.
Pero, Mariana and Blessy.
Are a friend. So, you know, when we vacation, we talk about, because I am the person away the people. Because of that, I have knowledge. May ano siya? May alam ako na may makakaaway ako. I thought ikaw makakaaway ko sa sagutan. Ganon. Because you attack the classmate of ano. So, I thought, yeah. So, sabi sa akin nila, may maldita din tayong kaklase. It was Mariela, ganyan. So, I shocked that time. And then yun, that was the first encounter in this classroom.
Ah, si Mariana pa yung sinabi ni Leslie sa'yo nun na,
Ano din, matalik. Pero friend naman. Tapos sino ba yung sunod? Shai. Si Shai naman, first encounter. Saan nga yun? Sa school namin sa SIC I don't remember, but we chat about ano lang, about assignment, pag-exam. Like, we talk, what is your sagot here? Ganyan. And then, you are the next. The first encounter, ano na kasi natin? Ano ba yun? This classroom din yun eh. Basta sa
wala,
classroom,
yun na nga, yun yung...
sabay-sabay yun. And then, sino nga ba? Si Shai. Ay,
Si Rai.
si Rai. Ayun na nga, nasabi ko na.
Si Benson.
Hindi, si Rai. Sa ano yun? Yung pasahan. Dapat, ano siya A. Oh!
Di ba kasama si Sir?
Ano pa ang pagod? Patalayan siya ako sa ipapost.
Ay,